opening all this bottle with number 1. It's not safe for health. These bottles cannot be used more than 10 months and cannot put inside the refrigerator. If you put inside the fridge, the plastic will leach out and go into your body. I've replaced them with a better one with number 5. This 1.5 liter mineral water bottle can only be used once because it also carries the number 1 and has to throw away after use. This bottle has a number 5 written here. This is good for putting drinking water and to put inside the fridge. This bottle says that it has a rating 5 and can put hot or cool water, BPA free. And all the bottles are now replaced with this one. This one has a rating 5, BPA free. This one is a 2.25 liter, hot or cool is okay, BPA free, and you can use it for a long time. You don't have to worry about the plastic going into your water. This is a plastic wrapper for the food. It says here LDPE and LLDPE, approved by the FDA. Check first and then buy. Don't buy because it's cheap. So what about baby bottles? Well, it says here it's BPA free, but there's no triangle rating at the bottom. Best not to buy if there's no rating. This is a food container. Airtight, BPA free, and carries a rating 5. Anything with rating 2, 4, 5 is safe to use. Other than that, don't buy.